Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.2, which is based on the solutions of linear equation in two variables. Okay? Now let's see question number 1. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equals to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, or only two solutions, or infinitely many solutions. So students, in this question, given equation is y is equals to 3x plus 5. Students, keep in mind, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. किसी भी linear equation के infinitely many solutions हो सकते हैं. So third option is true. Let's justify it. For x is equals to 0, then put x is equals to 0 in this equation. So we have y is equals to 3 into 0 plus 5, that is equals to 5. So when x is equals to 0, we get y is equals to 5. So 0 comma 5 is one solution. Now for x is equals to 1, we have y is equals to 3 into 1 plus 5, that is equals to 3 plus 5, that is 8. So 1 comma 8 is another solution. Okay. If here we take x is equals to minus 2, so we have y is equals to 3 into minus 2 plus 5, that is equals to 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6 plus 5, that is minus 1. So we have minus 2 comma minus 1 is another solution. So clearly, by putting the different values of x, we can find infinite many solutions. So the given linear equation in two variables y is equals to 3x plus 5 has infinitely many solutions. Hence, option third is true. Option third is true. Okay students, clear? Now next question, question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Here first equation is 2x plus y is equals to 7. Students, all of you know that any linear equation has infinitely many solutions, but in this question we have to find only 4 solutions. So here for x is equals to 0, we have put the value of x in this equation. So we have 2 into 0 plus y is equals to 7. So we get y is equals to 7. Okay. Now for x is equals to 1, we have 2 into 1 plus y is equals to 7. Then y is equals to 7 minus 2, that is equals to 5. Okay. Now for x is equals to 2, we have 2 into 2 plus y is equals to 7. So we have y is equals to 7 minus 4, that is equals to 3. Okay. Now for x is equals to 3, we have 2 into 3 plus y is equals to 7. So y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 3, that is 6. 7 minus 6. So here we get y is equals to 1. Okay. So the four solutions of the given equation, 2x plus y is equals to 7 are, when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 7. So 0 comma 7. When x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 5. So 1 comma 5. Here x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. So 2 comma 3. Here x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. So 3 comma 1. So these are the 4 solutions of this equation. Okay students. Now next, here given equation is pi x plus y is equals to 9. Okay. So here for x is equals to 0, we have pi into 0 plus y is equals to 9. So we get y is equals to 9. Okay. Now for x is equals to 1, we have pi into 1 plus y is equals to 9. So y is equals to 9 minus pi. Okay. For x is equals to 2, we have pi into 2 plus y is equals to 9. So we have y is equals to 9 minus 2 pi. Okay. Now for x is equals to 3, we have pi into 3 plus y is equals to 9. So y is equals to 9 minus 3 pi. Okay students. So the four solutions of this given linear equation into variable, that is pi x plus y is equals to 9, are 0, 9 and 1, 9 minus pi. Okay, and next one is 2, 9 minus 2 pi and 3, 9 minus 3 pi. Okay students, these are the four solutions of this equation. Okay, now next, here given equation is x is equals to 4y. Okay, now for x is equals to 0, we have 0 is equals to 4y, that gives y is equals to 0. Okay, for x is equals to 1, we have 1 is equals to 4y, then y is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, now for x is equals to 2, we have 2 is equals to 4y, that gives y is equals to 2 by 4, that is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, now for x is equals to 3, so we have 3 is equals to 4y, then y is equals to 3 by 4. Okay, so the four solutions of this equation are 0, 0, 1, 1 by 4 and 2, 1 by 2 and 3, 3 by 4. Okay students, all clear? Now next question, question number 3. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equals to 4 and which are not. Here first is 0, 2. Students, here we need to put x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2 in this linear equation x minus 2y is equals to 4. If we get LHS is equals to RHS, then we conclude 0, 2 is a solution of this linear equation, otherwise not. Okay, so here given equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. Okay, now putting x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2 in this equation, so we have 0 minus 2 into 2 is equals to 4, that gives minus 4 is equals to 4. So here LHS does not equals to RHS, so 0, 2 is not its solution. Okay students, clear? Now next, here 2, 0. Here given equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. Okay, now putting x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0 in this equation, so we have 2 minus 2 into 0 is equals to 4, so we have 2 is equals to 4. Here LHS does not equals to RHS, so 2, 0 is not its solution. Okay students, now next, here 4 comma 0, our equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. Okay, now put x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0 in x minus 2y is equals to 4. Okay, so we have 4 minus 2 into 0 is equals to 4. So we get 4 is equals to 4. Here LHS is equals to RHS. So 4 comma 0 is its solution. Okay students, now next, here under root 2 comma 4 under root 2. Okay, our equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now put x is equals to under root 2 and y is equals to 4 under root 2 in this equation. So we have under root 2 minus 2 into y, that is equals to 4 under root 2 is equals to 4. So here under root 2 minus 2 into 4 under root 2, that is equals to 8 under root 2 is equals to 4. So here we get minus 7 under root 2 is equals to 4. Here LHS does not equals to RHS. So under root 2 comma 4 under root 2 is not its solution. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. Now next, 1 comma 1, our equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. Okay, now put x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1 in this equation. So we have 1 minus 2 into 1 is equals to 4. So we have 1 minus 2, that is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 is equals to 4. So here LHS does not equals to RHS. So 1 comma 1 is not a solution of this linear equation x minus 2y is equals to 4. Okay, now next question, question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k. Here given equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to k. Okay, students, we know that if x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k, then the value of x and y will satisfy this equation. Okay, so put x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 in this equation. So we have 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equals to k. 2 into 2, that is 4, 3 into 1, that is 3 is equals to k. 4 plus 3, that is equals to 7. So k is equals to 7. So 7 is the required value of k. Okay students, exercise complete. In next class we will discuss the next exercise of this chapter, that is exercise 4.3, which is based on the graphical representation of linear equations into variables. Okay students.